qua của chị nhé. Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
By the way, my name is Ngọc. Nice to meet you.
My name is Huyền. Nice to meet you too.
May I ask you some questions about your personal hobbies?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you like music?
Yes, of course. I like it very much.
Do you usually listen to music?
Yes, I do. I usually listen to music.
How often do you listen to music?
Every day. I listen to music every day.
Every day?
Yes.
What time do you usually listen to music?
At 6 o'clock. I usually listen to music at 6 o'clock in the evening.
At 6 o'clock in the evening?
Yes.
How long does it take you to listen to music each day?
About an hour. It takes me about an hour to listen to music each day.
About an hour?
Yes.
Who do you usually listen to music with?
Alone. I usually listen to music alone.
Alone?
Yes.
What kind of songs do you like best?
Pop songs. I like pop songs best.
Pop songs?
Yes.
When do you usually listen to music?
In my room. I usually listen to music in my room.
In the room?
Yes.
When do you usually listen to music?
When I feel happy. I usually listen to music when I feel happy.
When you feel happy?
Yes.
How do you usually listen to music?
On my laptop. I usually listen to music on my laptop.
On the laptop?
Yes.
Do you prefer English songs, Vietnamese songs, or Korean songs?
English songs. I prefer English songs.
English songs?
Yes.
Which songs do you like best?
Happy and My Lap. I like Happy and My Lap best.
Happy and My Love?
Yes.
Do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Yes, I do. I think that listening to music while studying is a good idea.
Why do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Because it helps me to relax and remember things better.
Thank you very much.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.